Okay, now I'm going to get on the right turn, go in the right direction. It helps if it's daylight. Shouldn't drive at night, I guess. I can't see what I'm doing, and also, when I can't see clearly, I can't think clearly either, apparently. Okay, we're going on this merry-go-round. Okay, here's the straight part. Punch it. Okay. Turn the signal on and good clear. Third to fourth, and we're on the freeway, going the right direction finally. Good. Well, Spotty, did you come down to see what I'm doing again? I don't think there's much of anything here for little kitty cats. Probably pretty boring. Now you're going to go back. Okay, there we go. Spotty just made a quick visit. Boy, it's getting really socked in up here. Wonder what the elevation is. Clouds on that side, rocks and trees on this side. Kind of reminds me of the California Central Valley, except we're not going as fast. Well, it's a foggy day in Tennessee. There's a cool place out on the lake there. Too bad the weather's not so nice. The trees at least would look better. Tennessee River. It's really a big river. Oh, yeah. I was looking at myself, instead of the Tennessee River. Too late now. What an idiot I am. Okay, so here we are at the Treaty Oak, the second largest tree in Jacksonville, Florida. It's like 250 years old. Look at this. Look at this tree. There's my friend. Branches just going out into the yard there. Jacksonville's favorite oak. Wow. One tree. They have lightning rods in it so that it won't burn if it gets struck. It's like 8 feet thick and like probably 15 feet thick in the middle here. That's awesome. Okay, there's Todd. Say hi, Todd.
Hi, Todd.
Okay, back to Jacksonville.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, goodbye, Treaty Oak.